Can you hear? First of all, Elia greets my beloved father YAHVAH, and I as well greet my beloved Yahoshuah. For the children of the Most High who deserve, Yahoshuah bless you. Yesterday, we were listening to the teaching. The teaching was given to you. You will need it at the end, because that time is entering. Today, I will not talk long. But yesterday, I remind you, make your love not just by your mouth, but by the action. The love is not by speaking, but by your work. So, show in your work your love of Yahushua. Mostly, you who have written your name of the baptism, show your love of Yahushua. It's not just, I have written my name. It's like nothing if you don't show your love of Yahushua. As long as you have written your name for the baptism, you were already classified like the children of the Most High. Even you are not allowed to take the holy meal. It's your fault to be late. So follow the laws. Laws is the laws of the love for those who have been baptized. To show your love of Yahushua, to develop the work of Yahushua, to support the work of Yahushua. It's like you have the wife or husband and children. You make all things to make them happy. So show your love of Yahushua. Each of you have your own way. You are not forced. But if you really love Yahushua, you know what to do. That's not needed to teach that. To love is not needed to be taught. So, all of you show your love. Those who have been baptized and those who haven't been baptized, write your name. But I really say to you that in this last time, the solution is to show your love. That is the one solution, because devils have seen that this is the one who loves and one who doesn't love. And those who are going to the heaven of heavens don't go with devils, but take decision. Do you hear? Do you hear or not? Be vigilant. Everyone, be vigilant for this last time of this earth. Don't believe anyone. Only Elia and only Yahushua. And the one that you can believe is the one who gave you the truth and to give you the wonderful to you, the goodness to you, and the one who gives you the report from me is only mom. It's only her. If there's a report from me, don't believe anyone. I advise you, don't believe anyone. Because it's not okay anymore, and it's not doable anymore. Even your wife, your husband, don't believe them. but you don't know if he is going to trap you. Make sure each of you to get in Yahoshuah. The way to go to Yahoshuah, don't lean on everyone anymore. That's why it's only you who show your love to Yahoshuah. Don't lean on anyone to show your love of Yahoshuah. Be responsible of yourself and your spirit to go to Yahoshuah. I emphasize my words and I will repeat again for the next time. It's the only solution so that you can fight, to show your love of Yahoshuah, to show your love of Yahoshuah. That is the one solution so that you can fight for this last time. These have won for the love and for the blood of Yahoshuah. The blood of Yahoshuah is the love of you. The blood was shed because he loved you. The crowd is so noisy, and I must speak out in case you won't hear me. The blood of Yahoshuah which was shed, that is the sign of your love, and that you are going, and thanks to that blood that you're going to win. So know how to show your love. Honor the blood of Yahoshuah by your love, not by speaking. You say I love. It's by your action, and it's by you develop the work of Yahoshuah. You know that does not need to be taught anymore. Don't imitate those who don't want to love Yahoshuah, because there's someone who do that. And don't imitate these kind of people who don't love Yahoshuah. But your turn is to fight till the end. Don't be fool. Don't be fool. Is that clear, that word of Elia? So that is the end of my word for you. I wish you to be blessed by Yahoshuah. This is the end of my word for today. Tomorrow we will begin at 9. Don't be late. At 8:30, the calling of people, it will begin at 8:30. And you will come early in the morning for those who want to have the well communication of Yahoshuah. Is that clear? Emphasize your communication with Yahoshuah. Communicate with your love. That is the way that you can win. Yahoshuah gave you the love. That's why you have the blood of Yahoshuah. They have won thanks to the blood of Yahoshuah. It's a love that he gave you, that blood. It's his love of you. So how can you win if you don't honor his love, if you don't respect his love? And his love is not only for you, but for these people, everyone around the world who want to be saved. So for the guests who have written his name for the baptism, stand firm and follow the laws of Yahoshuah. And don't say that we are the guest and you keep sinning and doing foolishness. But once you have written your name to the baptism, you will like the one who has been baptized and show your love of Yahoshuah. In case you are not Zhyah, but as a person who has written his name for the baptism, he is following the laws of Yahoshuah, and he will never accept those who sin, and he keep and protect his holiness and his righteousness. And the holiness is not like you were doing in this planet Earth, but it's going with Yahoshuah. He never accept to be a sinner. And I really say to you that there is someone who is strange, and be vigilant. And there is someone who steals in the kingdom, but be vigilant. it's really okay with us that there is a stealer in this Holy Kingdom, so that we're going to show our power. But you may think that no one sees you, that we really see you. And don't say that Elijah is so far away and he doesn't see. Don't say rubbish. Who say to you that we don't see you? And continue your work. Continue your work until you will be punished, because it will end with your punishment. So for those who entered in the Holy Kingdom and your way is to steal, you will be punished. So that is the remark for those who have written their names. Show your love of Yahoshuah and don't do foolishness. Keep your holiness and your righteousness. But it's really automatically for you once you have written your name for the baptism and there is the Holy Spirit with you, even it's not already inside of you, and they lead you. They are leading you because that is their work from Yahoshuah. So everyone go straightly. It's not okay if you write your name and you keep sinning. It's not okay. Don't write your name if you do that. You write your name and you can keep sinning. Don't imitate anyone. The Holy Kingdom of Yahoshuah is not for people who are sinning. Once you do foolishness here, and you're going to come here to sin here expectedly, this is not a place to do that. Remember that there is a court here, and don't joke with the people who do that. And it's not a human who does that. So that is the word of Elia. Be careful. Show the love of Yahoshuah, so that Yahoshuah will not be sad in this last time. It's not a joke to do the work of Yahoshuah anymore. But it's really bad, the word of Vladimir Putin, president of Russia. I don't know if you heard that or no. If you, dear American, let's compete. And it's really bad word, and he has emphasized that twice. So it's really Putin who provoked the fight. It's really bad, that situation. So I showed to you that the accomplishment of the word is going, and no one can stop that. As beloved Father YAHVAH and Yahoshuah has said to you through Elia. The way is the dangers and take shelter, but if you keep going and face the consequences. Show your love of Yahoshuah. But at the time that you can show your love, take profit of that time. Okay, everyone, be blessed by Yahoshuah. Obey the word of Yahoshuah, the children of the Most High, those who have baptized and those who haven't been baptized, but those who have written your name, you are the same, but you were just waiting for the baptism. Follow the laws. If there's something who were not clear, ask. The number is already given to you that you can keep in touch with us. You cannot believe anyone anymore. Each of you run to Yahoshuah. Fight so hard to go to Yahoshuah. It doesn't mean that you will not follow the word of the responsibles and the MZA, but it's about the spirit. But all responsibles, it's with the MZAs. But everything must comes to us, so we cannot joke with that anymore. Is that clear? the work that mom has said to you, don't change it. To come to presbyter so that you can keep in touch with mom. And I say to presbyter, tell to mom what is told to you, because there is something that we must arrange now. The situation is not easy anymore, and you must be vigilant to feel everything. To give the responsible which have given to you. Don't change it. But the report must be got to mom, because once it is arrived in mom, it is arrived in me. But you cannot meet with me directly. You cannot speak with me directly, but I really emphasize you that don't and never stop to give report to your MZ until you get the answer. Because you must be protected, and you must accept to be protected, because this mindless trial means to destroy you, and you must be accepted to protect. Wherever I am, my protection is always with you. The protection of Elia is around the world, in the children of the Most High around the world, in all of the children of the Most High. That is the words of Elia. And Yahoshuah bless you for our next meeting tomorrow. And Yahoshuah bless you. You can go home.